Hey guys, welcome back. It's just a quick one today. I ordered something off Amazon. Good old next day delivery from Amazon. I paid $4.99 to have this delivered today. I'm going to tell you what it is. It's a Roman Sionis from Birds of Prey. And I don't usually collect DC, but it was £5, 4 pence, I believe. And then Roman Sionis comes as a chase, so this is essentially a chase hunt. So I thought, let's give it a try, see what happens. And you've got the original here, and then obviously that's him with his white suit, and then the chase version is here, where he's in a black suit. So I'm going to get into this, we're going to see if we've got ourselves a chase or not. I'm going to show you first. Although there's a lot of paper. Space down. We got the chase. I didn't think this was going to work, but look at that. £5 and I got myself a chase. So I'm actually in the middle of watching Birds of Prey at the moment. It's actually really good. I'm quite surprised. I didn't think that it was going to be a really good film, but this little bugger is played by Ewan McGregor, and from what I've seen so far he does a really good job of it. But I'm well happy with that. Thank you very much, Amazon. Although, to be fair, there is a bit of box damage. Yeah, you get what you pay for. Although we got a chase. I did have a chance to pick this up in the wild, like back at the beginning of the year, but I passed on it. Didn't really want it at the time, but I wanted to do a chase hunt. I haven't done anything like this before, and it worked. Excellent. Yeah, so I'm going to show you guys this one out of box right now. Okay guys, so we've got ourselves a chase. Birds of Prey Roman Sionis. Excellent. Thanks for watching, guys. If you like what you watched today, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Check out all our previous videos. New stuff coming up over the weekend. Pop figures, mystery box, a couple other like kind of pop showcases. We'll see what we've got. In the meantime, don't forget to enter the giveaway. Jared Way video, hashtag giveaway, blah blah blah. I've said that about a million times. So yeah, don't forget to do that. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.